Do you want to talk about future events that will already be completed? In this video, you'll learn 40 WH questions in the future perfect tense with natural short answers to improve your grammar, speaking, and listening skills. Let's get started. Structure of WH questions in future perfect tense. WH word plus will plus subject plus have plus past participle V3 plus object. We use this structure when we want to ask questions about actions that will already be completed before a certain time in the future. These WH questions help us to get specific information about what, when, where, why, who, or how something will have been done. Let's break down this structure. What is WH word? The function is to ask a specific question. What, when, where, why, how. Will. Future auxiliary. Subject, person, thing, doing the action. For example, you, she, they have. Always have. Never has in this tense. Past participle. V3 form of the verb. For example, finished, gone, eaten. And object. It's optional depending on the verb. For example, the work, the meal, etc. Examples. What will you have finished by 5 p.m.? I will have finished my homework. Where will they have traveled by next summer? They will have traveled to Europe. Why will she have left early? She will have left to catch a train. Who will have completed the project? Sarah will have completed it. How will he have fixed the machine? He will have used a special tool. Important notes. The helping verb will always comes before the subject. Use have, not has, even with he, she, it. Always use the past participle V3 form of the main verb. For example, what will she have done? This tense is often used with time references like by tomorrow, by 2026, before the party starts, by the end of the week. 40 WH questions with answers in future perfect tense. What will you have done by 6 p.m.?
I will have finished my homework.
Where will she have gone by tomorrow?
She will have gone to her grandmother's house.
Why will they have left before the meeting?
They will have left to catch a flight.
When will you have completed the project?
I will have completed it by next Friday.
How will he have solved the problem?
He will have solved it by using a new strategy.
Who will have made the decision by then?
The manager will have made the decision.
What will they have built by next year?
They will have built a new school.
Where will he have traveled by December?
He will have traveled to 5 countries.
Why will she have cancelled the trip?
She will have cancelled it due to health issues.
How will you have saved enough money?
I will have saved by reducing my expenses.
What will he have learned in the course?
He will have learned advanced programming.
When will you have reached your goal?
I will have reached it by the end of the year.
Who will have written the final report?
Sarah will have written the final report.
Why will you have stopped attending the class?
I will have stopped due to a schedule clash.
Where will they have moved by next month?
They will have moved to a big apartment.
How will she have completed the book so fast?
She will have read every night for hours.
What will we have achieved by 2030?
We will have achieved full automation.
Why will he have changed his job?
He will have found a better opportunity.
When will the company have launched the product?
It will have launched the product by September.
Who will have organized the event?
The event team will have organized it.
Where will you have stored all the data?
I will have stored it on cloud servers.
How will they have completed all the tasks?
They will have divided the work efficiently.
Why will she have taken the day off?
She will have taken it off for a family event.
What will they have forgotten to do?
They will have forgotten to lock the door.
When will he have paid the bill?
He will have paid it by Friday.
Who will have prepared the presentation?
John will have prepared it.
Where will we have gone by this time next year?
We will have gone on a world tour.
Oh, that's great. Why will the team have failed the challenge?
They will have lacked proper planning.
How will she have reached the venue on time?
She will have taken a cab early.
What will you have eaten for dinner by then?
I will have eaten pizza.
When will they have started the training?
They will have started by next Monday.
Who will have fixed the technical issue?
The IT department will have fixed it.
Where will he have placed the documents?
He will have placed them in the drawer.
Why will we have missed the deadline?
We will have underestimated the workload.
How will you have completed your research?
I will have worked day and night.
What will she have forgotten at home?
She will have forgotten her phone.
Who will have taken the photos?
Mark will have taken them.
Where will you have parked the car?
I will have parked it near the gate.
Why will the manager have rejected the proposal?
He will have found it too risky.
How will they have celebrated their anniversary?
They will have gone out for a special dinner.
Sure. Great job. Now you know how to ask and answer WH questions using the future perfect tense confidently. Try making your own sentence in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who want to improve their English too. See you in the next lesson.